So here's the controller for the DJI Mini 3 Pro, mounted very nicely on my bicycle. Very secure, and I'm gonna now show you how to do this simple hack to mount this controller in the middle of your bike handles so you can watch your drone flying behind you. So this is everything you need to securely mount your controller to your bike handles. You need these command strips, and what you want are, they're called decorating clips. They're really small and they fit perfectly. Lens wipe, and I'll show you why you need that in a second, and some rubber bands. And basically, I'm not gonna go through and waste your time here. You can see what I did. I put the command clips with the open side up, okay, facing you on both sides, as shown here, okay? Very simple. The key thing is you want to make sure that the controller is clean and free of oils. So these are made by injection molding of plastics. You know how you make cookies and cakes and pies and you grease the pan? Well, when they make these plastic parts, they are injection molded, and they need to release them. So they have oils that stay on the surface of these parts. So you want to make sure you remove the oils, take some lens wipes and clean the surface of that very, very well before using the command strip. And make sure that the command strip says this side towards wall. You want to make sure that side is the side that's going to be glued to or facing this unit, because the other side is designed to mate well and stick well to these plastic parts from 3M. Okay, so it's very simple. You just put them on like that, and then you just basically drape the, it's going to be hard for me to do it here with one hand, but you basically want to drape these underneath, and I'll show you just in a second what that looks like. So that's what it's going to look like when you're done. Obviously the handlebars are going to be underneath, and you're good to go. And if something happens to one of these rubber bands, you got another one to secure it, and so you're not going to lose the part dropping on the ground as you're biking. Always carry a bunch of extra rubber bands in your pocket. It's just a good idea. And as long as you securely mount to these command strip little hooks here, you should be all set. And again, you have redundancy, and you have two connections, so that if one fails, you do have the other one to just keep it on the handlebars. It might be a little bit lopsided. The only way this won't work is if your handlebars have like a beverage holder, you know, a water bottle holder or something in the middle, or you know, you may have to put it in a different spot. But you could see on mine it worked perfectly, and this is a great way to secure this as you have the drone follow you on your biking. The other thing I do want to point out as I end here, do not attempt to control the drone as you are biking. This is only for you to look down occasionally at it flying behind you. If you want to control the drone, stop it or do something, please stop bicycling, pull over to a safe spot, and then you can control the drone as you are not bicycling. Okay, this is very important, because you can get seriously injured if you attempt to be controlling this drone from this controller during bicycling. Thanks a lot, and stay safe.